there. So I'm on my way upstairs. Philly and Maggie are napping, and Philly just rang the doorbell in her crate. It just alerted me. So Mag has been in range according to the Dexcom. Good morning. Look. She was yawning?
Yeah, she was yawning.
Did you ring that doorbell? Let's check Maggie. So,
She did win it.
I know.
She did win it.
So,
She did win it.
let's check you. She said to check you. Let me get your pouch. I'm going to check her, Phil. Now she's like pawing me. Yes, maybe she's high. Not that I'm happy about that, but I'm happy that she rang the doorbell and alerted. Let me put you right here. Philly, come here, I'm going to check. Come here, Max, let's check your figure. We'll see what is happening. You had a really great nap, you two. Really great nap. Dexcom is showing, let me look at my phone, on my watch.
You're not touching the doorbell.
Dexcom is showing
She
178.
wasn't touching the doorbell.
You don't hear it in your room, but I heard the doorbell downstairs.
This was
check the
the
finger.
doorbell.
Not that doorbell. So Dexcom is showing 178 steady. And blood sugar. Yes, Philly! 187! Yay! Good high! Good high! Let's go get some treats! Good high! Good girl! Yes, 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 yes. Okay, let's go get some treats.